Can you see the teddy on the bed?
On the bed, yes.
Colour the teddy on the bed blue.
The teddy on the bed blue. Okay.
Can you see the teddy on the table?
On the table, yes.
Colour the teddy on the table red.
The teddy on the table red. Okay.
Can you see the teddy under the table?
Under the table, yes.
Colour the teddy under the table yellow.
The teddy under the table yellow. Okay.
Can you see the teddy in the toy box?
In the toy box, yes.
Colour the teddy in the toy box green.
The teddy in the toy box green. Okay.